Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Alam niyo boss, ito ho'y hindi ko papalagpasin itong issue na to. Dito ho sa issue ni General Bato, hindi ho tayo nakikisakay. Ako ho'y maninindigan lamang at ako'y kaibigan ko ho si General Bato. Kaya lang dito ho sa mga nakikita ko, kung patuloy ho magsasabi ho si General Bato na siya'y handang magpakulong, wag naman, parang wala namang sinasabing kaya makukulong. Pero you're sounding like President Digong, General Bato. I don't think that's a line I've heard before. Kaya importante, don't be a cheap copycat ng iyong presidente, General Bato. Ganito lang issue rito, General Bato. Kaibigan naman kita. You're in hot water if you keep talking. If you keep talking, keep blubbering your mouth, you'll be in hot water. I think na kumbaga, ako'y nakikita ko na malinis naman yung hangarin at wala namang nanuhol sa iyo, hindi ka naman nangotong bagkus yan ay in-sponsor naman sa iyo ni Senator Manny Pacquiao. Pero sabi naman ni Manny Pacquiao, just the common sense. Pareho kayong dalawa, medyo nagkaroon lang ng gray area sa inyong understanding, gray area in your little understanding of the bigger issue. Kaya there is Bitag Live here, and Bitag Live will make complex issue simple, understandable, but truthful. Kung si Manny Pacquiao sinasabi niya, simple, just a common sense. No, it's not, Senator. I think you need to listen carefully. There is legal and there is moral issue. The legal issue is none of you did something bad. But then again, wala namang masamang tinapay sa ginawa ninyo. Wala namang masamang tinapay kung kumpare mo kay in-sponsor mo si General Bato dahil pera mong pinaghirapan yan sa mga suntok na tinamu mo sa katawan sa mukha mo at yan naman ay pinamahagi mo sa iyong kaibigan si General Bato. Si General Bato hindi naman humingi sa iyo bagkus in-sponsor mo at walang masama roon. Kaya lang, nag-iwan na masamang panlasa sa iba na parang ang dating nagpaparabol, nagbulakbol si General Bato sa pananaw ng mga dilaw. Ala rin akong pakialam kung ganyan ang kanilang pananaw. Bagkos, ang sa akin lang, nag-iwan na masamang panlasa kasi there is moral issue. There's nothing wrong for what you did. But, it's leaving a bad taste in the mouth. Masamang panlasa sa dila at sa bunganga, sa bibig. Nino man, lalo na yung mga dilawan. Ala naman akong pakialam sa mga putok sa buho mga dilaw na yan. But the legal issue is what it is. Kung titingnan mo, illegal in a way kasi may batas na hindi ka dapat tatanggap ng anumang pabor or sponsor. Yun lang. Yan ay batas yan eh. So ngayon, kung sasabihin mo, you will be ready to go to jail, wow man, you are such a hero. Kung sinabi mo malinis naman ang konsensya mo, I admire you. And so therefore, kung sinabi mong mali yung sinasabi mo rito, wala kang masamang ginawa, malinis ang konsensya mo, that's the moral issue there na malinis. Subalit legal, it doesn't save you there because may bagay na dapat sinusunod ka, public official ka. So, ngayon sa parting yan, doon ka madadali. Kasi hindi ka dapat tumatanggap ng ganung pabor na mahigit sa halaga na hindi mo makakayanan bilang isang PNP chief. Hindi pinag-uusapan ng pagkakaibigan. Sa akin lamang, General Bato, mas maganda kung tatahimik ka na lang, wag mo nang dagdagan, wag ka ng pahero effect na ikay magpapakulong. Wala namang nagsasabing ipakukulong. Ang sinasabi lang, iimbestigahan at may siguro at this point in time, kung inaamin mo na wala kang pagkakamali, malinis ang konsensya mo, Di mas maganda siguro magpaumanhin ka na lang. Sabihin mo, I think I made a wrong judgment, but my conscience is clear. If I made a mistake, then let me apologize and never to do it again. That is humility. Hindi yung, ay handa akong pangpakulong, I'm ready to go to jail. Man, I heard that line before. And that's from your big boss. Don't sound like him. Don't be a cheap copycat. That's original si Digong. You're the PNP chief. Don't sound and don't follow the path ni Alan Purisima.